Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Took a little drive down to Washington, North Carolina on my day off, and they had a tractor show listed online, so thought I'd come check it out. It was the only one going on in the local area, but looks to be a kind of a small one, but we'll check it out and see what they got. Beautifully restored John Deere.
Oh no, it ain't mine.
It's a cool little Power Master diesel. It's got the Rusa Master pump on it. And being that we're in North Carolina, this is tobacco and cotton country. Cultivating was continued for quite a while. Still is. This thing has the mounted cultivators on it. Of course, the IH quick attach 1-point hitch. The smaller version of the 2-point. Touch controls. And for those of you that don't know, this offset tractor was international. It's what they called cultivating. You could cultivate and look straight down onto the roads you were cultivating. You wouldn't run everything over. Pretty brilliant idea. This thing's a long way from home. This is a Cockshutt. These were made in Canada and were later bought out by a white motor company along with Minneapolis Moline and Oliver. But these are made in Canada, and this is a long way from home down here in North Carolina. And this Farmall Super A has the mounted cultivators as well, and you could swap out these different teeth for different styles of sweeps. And these are the spring-loaded version. They had similar cultivators on the Farmall Cubs. This one also has the offset engine and driver for cultivision. And we've got their little 966.
He ain't real good right today, I can tell you that.
This is cool.
He didn't act right, but I thought that he was going to see it so bad.
This really cool original dealer tag here. Lilly International Trucks and Farm Equipment, Williamston, North Carolina.
But I thought he was going to be good. Yeah. Now I know he's good.
I just didn't know this morning. Yeah, we were. Yeah, I am a little young. I try to stay to be a little. I try to be.
Here we got an Allis Chalmers G motor cultivator. This was Allis Chalmers' answer to the Farmall Cub. It's designed to do cultivator work like the Farmall Cub was. This one's a little interesting. It's got a rear engine. I believe these use the Continental engine.
How much was it?
But I got money.
These John Deere 4020s are incredibly popular. They were a real game changer for John Deere. That's predecessor of the 4010. Call it the new generation tractor. And when they designed these, they had gone from the 2-cylinder tractors, and they said, we don't want any parts shared with the old tractors. We want a clean sheet design. And I ran one of these when I was a kid. They're very popular today.
Go this way.
Just shy of 100 horsepower, if I remember right, and their competition would have been the International 856, like my big one.
Why don't we go this way again?
This was what came before that 40 series. Still a 2-cylinder diesel or gas. This one here would have been gas, I believe. Yeah, this was gasoline. But yeah, 2 gigantic cylinders, lots of torque, but they're very smooth, and they had a very distinct sound, often referred to as Johnny Poppers, along with these other John Deeres.
Harvest is over there on the other side of these trees.
It says King Midget on it. I've never seen anything quite like this. Looks kind of homemade, maybe. It's pretty cute. We got 55 Chevy Bel Air.
Beautiful.
Get into some horse-drawn stuff.
How you been in here? Yeah, I had a storm all right. Yeah, my goats got out and they wore out, eating right on down to the ground. That's all I got.
An old-timey gas-powered Maytag washing machine. For anybody who hasn't seen one of these Maytag gas washing machines before, you have your Kickstarter right here. You kickstart it. Usually had a exhaust pipe that would come off of this and go up out of your basement window or wherever you had it. We just ran this gearbox. It does all the things a modern washing machine does. Even has your ring around there. This one actually has a safety release, so when your kids get your fingers stuck in it, you can get them out. And some more horse-drawn stuff. It's like a corn sheller up there, planter, really old planter, a couple of plows, a middle buster. Looks like loose leaf tobacco. Really cool. I'm being from the Midwest, I haven't got to see much of this. Some dried back there in the corner.
I mean, they blow into horns there and driving seats.
Even a Model T Ford here.
faster than I tow it on the trailer.
Yeah, I went back to Michael's one year and rode in that tractor parade.
Yeah.
We were out there on the other side of Washington.
Yeah.
And that would have been like 2 years ago.
This is the old Briggs & Stratton engine back before they were a standard lawnmower engine. A little PTO output inside.
I told her, yeah.
Kickstarter.
None of the Model 2s had them? Well, that 27 had a lot of positive.
Jaeger Machine Company, Columbus, Ohio. It's like a Wyco magneto on there.
All mine have
Coolant in there, oil in there, lubricated. It would all drip out into this trough. Flyweights down here for your governor. And these would run until they drop below a certain speed and they'd fire again. They'd stop firing until they dropped below that speed again and fire. Referred to often as hit and miss engine. And there's a little Farmall Cub with the cultivators on it, but no sweeps.
Yeah.
Like you see. Yeah. I mean, it had moss growing on it. It was all good.